Hi, Brittany. I'm liking the color scheme that you chose for this. That's really nice. Looks like you exported out your JPEG in high resolution. So this one would work to submit to the Red Ants Pants team. I am noticing a few small issues. You do have a little bit of a white border on the left edge. That could be just because you need to move your colors over a little bit more on your artboard. Also, I would say maybe continuing this line off the page and potentially moving the truck over to the left just a little bit so that it's not creating this tension point right here. All of these items are just kind of meeting together right there, and I think maybe just moving it to the left, or either just picking this all up and moving it slightly over, or leaving it where it's at and just moving the truck over like a few. And then, you know, continuing these hopefully off the page would be probably a good idea. I like the musical notes. I think that's, you know, you're tying in music that way, which is great. I think maybe bringing this shape forward so it's covering the steering wheel would be a good idea. I'm missing a few of your linked files. I think they're probably just reference images, which is fine. So here's your, so yeah, maybe just ungrouping this and then just bring this forward so it looks like it's over that, and then moving this all off to the side. I can get just that selected. Maybe just moving it over to like right there would be good. I almost wonder with these two if you went a little bit, maybe even with white. If that wouldn't look, I'm not sure. It might show up a little bit better as white, but I don't think it's a huge difference. I would say just move that over and continue these lines, and you would be pretty good. Your artboard looks right. You're in CMYK color, so that looks correct. And you did leave room for band names, so that's good. All right, that's all I have for you as far as maybe changes that you might make before submitting to the Red Ants Pants poster design contest, hopefully today by the latest. All right, talk to you later. Bye.